Yeah, yeah.
Just get out there a minute. Coming out. Get out for a bit. It's clear, it's a bit of plastic went up, so.
I stamped out.
It's out, but it was plastic that had gone up, so he's clearing the building.
I stamped out. That's a point. I stamped out a smaller one earlier, but it was only tiny.
You might need a bit of that. When it's plastic that goes on, you can't really in the fumes.
Yeah.
Ian was in here, Shane. Somebody's thrown
You didn't see shit.
Yeah.
Put that there, look, boys.
Unbelievable. One of the guys done it after said that's a full length ball in it, just to test it out.
Yeah, that's full ball extension.
Yeah. But it's a full solid straight barrel.
Is it?
Yeah, barrel full and ball extension. Just he knows gearboxes and shit like that. He runs a G3, classic armour G3. This thing, the range and accuracy on it. He uses like a sniper rifle. Yeah. He's got a sniper rifle as well, but he can use that thing like a sniper when he wants to. He knows what he's doing. He built one of them. He says it was ridiculous. Yeah.
You got it?
What was it, small piece?
No, we think it's a plastic sheet. Right. Either someone's gone under it and then...
I'm kidding.
Yeah. It'll probably be just closed. Joe, just close spot for a bit. Is everyone out? He needs to vent. Yeah. No, I mean people not in it. We're going to say we'll let everyone back to respawn and restart. It's more. Yeah, Ian goes stamps out pretty quick.
Wonder if I can hit this fly.
If
If you're not going to win, we'll leave. That's what I say.
Yeah, I'll do it for you.
No.
It's nice. That's smoked in the machine shop.
Shane's walking around with God knows what this fucking gun type to get.
It's almost like BBs have hit this wall.
Yeah. Yeah, it's back to regen. Oh yeah, it's back to regen as well, man.
No, it went in shed.
Middle shed?
Yeah.
Where the fork thing is.
Yeah.
No. Oh no, because I was at the end, wasn't I?
Over end there, direct team through and everybody there, and then come in after it, but it's rolled onto some plastic.
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
Oh, what? Went through?
It's always genuine. No idea.
Went through.
It's not that now.
No, you're at fault. Once it's starting, that's fine.
Alright.
He's full out. Once you've started, he's out on the ground with that one.
My boots need polishing.
I was like, no, yeah, different style ones. Twist the lid off. Yeah, no, I was like, how do you do these ones? Look at that. All the ignition.
The input one's the best. Don't put your finger on here. Right, so we got it like that. Oh, my finger's on there. Oh, fuck.
I'm used to that off you now. We shot into where the thing is, where the fork thing is, right? And I get shot from the next shed this way. And I come walking past, I thought, well, that's friendly fire. Sorry, Shane, but I owed you that one. Yeah.
Hang on.
Yeah, we're ready, you say it.
You say it.
How quick did you get through that doorway then?
It's hard way to get in that way. Tippy, if we're in that shed, don't fire.
Hit. Dead man here.
I don't know why I did that. The side I was there.
Bang.
I'm obviously dead, you fucking retard.
Alright, well, I don't know, he just goes...
Could be like three.
No, they're not goat willies.
You know what it is,
Yep. Cool. That is the first thing that happened when I got glasses. Just being able to look at signs and be like, I can fucking read that from a mile away. I know Ben's still good. Welcome back to the game. Does it look like anyone's in there.
Another 400 pounds. I want people around it.
Hey! Oh, friendly fired.
I think we're going to go through this whole cab. Worth or not, this can't hurt any bullet. To be honest. Oh, there you go.
Look, more.
No! Oh. Straight away? Are you dead? Are you dead?
It's not
Ten.
going well.
Where did you even get
Not
far?
going well.
2, 3. Oh my god. I
You
thought
have a
you...
bit of a fire, yeah.
Really?
One of our lads It's very smelly,
Where
though.
you want these sheds going up and going like ping ping ping?
No, this where one of the smokes in and there was a bit of tarpaulin or something on the edge. And it just caught
Yeah,
it
you
and
can
it
go.
stamped it out.
I bet that's
Bang! Sure. The fuck are you shooting at? Keep getting friendly fired.
Yeah, we don't want that down.
Guess I got friendly fired again. Gotta love my friends.
Oh,
They're donating bullets to the
you being
cause.
killed? Us two haven't been killed, we were just in the circle Okay. getting this started. many you want? Is that from unlocked?
Yeah, they don't have a lock on it.
Well, you're not carrying on. There's only about another 5 minutes left.
I'm still in.
My 5 minutes right now, you are a beautiful blonde woman with very large vesicles.
Sorry, how did that happen?
Why'd you look at the glass? Hey, look on there. Oh, I bet you are a bit blonde now.
I guess she's more woman than the rest of us.
Right, guys, you can all go.
Very, very dark.
Yeah, 2 minutes.
2 minutes? How slow are you? Second door from the left. I hit, obviously. My eye. I'm fine. Yeah. That's fine. I got it.
Get people.
I'm okay. I gotta get my grenade.
Yeah, I'll get you grenade. You go to the safe area.
Alright, thanks.
The man! The man!
Yeah, I'm fine. It's okay. Yeah.
Just go on to the shop. You'll have to
No, it's okay. I got some.
You can.
Thanks.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm okay. No, I'm fine. I got hit in the face. Just give me a sec. I'll be right back out. You doing this last cookie?
No, I'm not.
Yep. Gigi? You out? See ya. Got hit in the eye.
Really? The eye?
Yeah, just below it. I'll be fine.
Yeah.
Hailstones. I thought they were BBs for a second.
Feel free to come in here.
It's lovely weather.
I feel like being in Thailand.
Well, it's mainly finished now, isn't it? You're going to have to let me know. Right, okay.
Can we spawn in?
Go on. We can get it done.
I'm still here.